Hey there, this is Naomi C speaking. If you're about to attend your first call center interview, there's one specific question you should expect. And that question is, what is a call center? Just so you know, the interviewer will not ask you this question to test your dictionary skills, but they also want to see if you understand the job you're applying for. So in this video, I'll show you how to answer this question in a simple, confident, and professional way, even if you're a complete beginner. So essentially, I'll share with you at least 3 powerful sample answers that you can definitely use. I'll also share with you a powerful formula that you can use in order for you to create your own answer, just in case you don't like any of the 3 sample answers that I'm about to share with you. And also, I'll share with you the reasons why interviewers ask you this question. So, here it is na agad. Why do interviewers ask this question? And that is to check if you understand the nature of the job. It's highly important, and I highly recommend for you to do your research first about what call center is before jumping to an interview, kasi nakakahiya if you don't know what is call center kapag natulala ka and you cannot come up with any word. Same thing, they want to check if you know what you're signing up for. There are people kasi who would go to an interview unprepared, completely unprepared, like they did not made the effort to review. Basta, nagpadaan lang sila sa company na yon, tapos isipan nila mag-apply, and that's it. So, lastly, they are checking if you can explain concepts clearly. This is a way for them to check your communication skills. So, it's highly important for you to provide examples in this kind of questions, because that way, they can gauge na, ay, magaling to magsalita, fluent sa English, and pasok to sa banga. Ganun. So, ayan. At least, you know kung ano yung reason behind this. Now, here is my sample answer formula. So, the first one is definition. If you know the definition of call center, then that's good. But if you don't know, you can proceed with purpose. Ano ba yung purpose? Ano ba yung ginagawa sa call center sa BPO? Ang next naman dito is example or content. So, let's say, for example, magbibigay ka nga ng example kung ano ba yung ginagawa sa BPO, diba? Kung meron kang personal encounter sa BPO, kahit beginner ka, then that's another thing that you can mention sa ganitong klase ng question. And lastly is yung understanding of the role. Sabi ko nga, dapat mag-research muna tayo bago pumunta sa interview. Intindihin muna natin kung ano yung role bago tayo pumunta. Para pag tinanong tayo ng what is a call center, then we can answer this question the best way possible. And of course, using this formula, I will provide you 3 sample answers. So, let's start with sample answer number 1. I'll read it. A call center is a department or company that manages customer interactions, usually through phone calls, but also through email, chat, or social media. The main goal is to provide support and build good relationships with customers. I see it as a teamwork-driven environment where I can learn and grow while assisting customers. So the good thing about the sample answer is because you use the formula. Nag-define ka, nagbigay ka ng example, and in-include mo yung sarili mo sa sample answer na to. I see it as a teamwork-driven. O, diba? Tapos nabigay ka ng samples na nagtitake ng phone calls, hindi lang phone call, minsan email, chat, and social media din. So, good job dyan. Knowledge check is very good. Now, just in case hindi pasado yung sample answer number 1, huwag kang mag-alala, meron pa tayong sample answer number 2. And that is, the sample answer number 2 is, a call center is a place where agents handle customer calls for a company. It can be for answering questions, solving problems, or giving information about products and services. For me, it's where I can use my communication skills to help customers and represent the company in a professional way. So, personally, this is my favorite sample answer kasi number one, nagbigay tayo ng definition base sa understanding natin. Ano yung call center? Call center is a place where agents handle customer calls for a company, which is true. It can be answering questions, that's right, solving problems, exactly, that's what we're doing, giving information about products and services, exactly. Usually, yun yung mga typical concerns, diba? And then, you also included yourself in this scenario kasi I can use my communication skills to help customers and represent the company in a professional way. So, very good sample answer. If you want to use this, then go ahead. Hindi ka ilalaglag. Sample answer number 3 is a call center is where trained agents assist customers by answering questions, solving issues, or processing requests. It's important because it helps businesses keep customers satisfied and loyal. I understand that my role as an agent is to listen carefully, provide clear answers, and ensure customers have a positive experience. This is another favorite answer of mine. Kasi, trained agents, no? That's right. Tinitrain talaga lahat ng agents bago tayo makapag-assist sa mga customers, bago natin masagot yung mga questions nila, masolve yung mga problems nila, at ma-process yung mga requests nila. Kailangan i-train muna natin. I-train muna tayo. And you're right then dito, it helps businesses keep customers satisfied and loyal. Kasi kapag okay yung experience ng customer, positive yung experience nila, they're likely to stay in the company. 'Di ba? Meron tayong mga retention na calls na yung parang pa-cancel na sila ng service, pero kapag maganda yung customer service mo sa kanila, maganda yung approach mo sa kanila, nag-i-stay sila sa atin. So, knowing na newbie ka, tapos ganito yung way or attitude mo sa pagsasagot ng ganitong klase ng question, then, ay, nako, pasok na pasok ka sa banga. Okay, I'll also share with you, by the way, common mistakes to avoid when you are asked by this question. So, number 1 is giving a one-sentence vague answer, like, it's where calls are handled. That's right, that's where calls are handled. Pero, ayun lang ba? Like, mga one-liner talaga na statements ay hindi enough, lalo na sa mga interview na ganito. Kasi nga, tinitest yung comm skills natin. Kung ganito lang kaikli yung sagot natin, short but simple, pero it doesn't really make sense, diba? Number 2 is using slang or too casual language. Number 3 is reading a memorized definition without understanding it. It's okay to memorize it kasi nasa memory mo siya, but make sure na you know what it means talaga. Hindi lang minemorize mo lang siya sa isip mo, diba? So, what you can do instead is to speak naturally, show you understand the role, and sound excited to be part of it. By the way, if you're an aspiring call center nga talaga and you're also aiming to work from home, I highly recommend for you to get a Jabra Evolve 20 MS-USB-EA. I am currently working from home and this is the exact headset that I'm using. And so far, so good talaga siya. The reason why I love using this is because it has noise cancelling feature, 'di ba? Nakalimutan ko pa. Yung tipong sobrang ingay ng kapitbahay namin, ng aso namin, ng electric fan ko, ang daming dumadaang sasakyan. Pero because of this headset, hindi yon naririnig ng customer ko. Sa akala ng customer ko ay nandun pa rin ako sa, 'di ba, social na environment, like yung sa office, 'di ba? Pero hindi talaga. So, kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong klaseng experience at maigay din yung neighborhood mo, ay nako, perfect to sa'yo. Make sure to check this out sa aking YouTube description or sa YouTube video na to. Thank you! Bye-bye!